This kit comes in a decorated embroidered pouch made of unbleached linen fabric. The pouch can be pulled taut using a cotton or leather cord. Unlike kit number 1, in which the contents are tightly packed in a tin container, kit number 2 is much more forgiving. Instead of it being difficult to pack any additional items you might need on your trip, this kit allows you to pack an extra piece of flint, a bundle of twine, or natural tinder made of birch tinder fungus. This kit is best suited for those who intend to set off on long trips. In this kit you'll find a bundle of jute twine, which you'll need when preparing your dry kindling, a big piece of flint, a tinderbox made of tin with 30 pieces of charcloth tinder carefully placed inside. One piece ought to be enough for you to make a fire. Later on, you can use the box and any natural cotton or linen fabric to make more tinder over a fire. And here's a large forged steel striker. The length of the one in this kit is 3 inches. It's comfortable to hold in the hands, and many feel it is easier to produce a spark with a large steel striker like this one than smaller sizes. This kit would make a good present for anyone who loves high quality handmade products made according to ancient methods. With this kit you can easily make a proper primitive fire in your country home or when out picnicking or on a camping trip.